आपसे तारीफ करवाने के लिए मैं अगले 20 साल तक अच्छे काम करता रहूंगा.
Because I'm the best looking.
Much junior to me as an actor in terms of years, but I think as a performer she is much more brilliant than I am, and I'm not saying it just to make her feel happy. I genuinely believe she is a sparkling actress. She is very real. She is very real. इतने साल फिल्मों में काम करने के बाद लोगों में एक खास किस्म का ठहराव चला जाता है, बट वो जब भी मिलती हैं उतनी खुशी से मिलती हैं और मैं उनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए हमेशा तरसता रहता हूँ. उनके साथ मैंने काम किया है. शी इज़ आइकॉनिक एंड शी इज़ काजोल.
Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Supremely talented Kajol is here.
Such nice things said about me. Good afternoon. It's afternoon? Yes, it's afternoon. Okay, so far so good. Good afternoon, everybody. It's my great privilege and my honor to be here on stage with Mr. Anupam Kher. I think he said so many good things about me, so I'll just say one amazing thing about him is that I seriously, and I said this to him earlier when I met him as well, तो मैंने उनको मतलब काफ़ी अवार्ड शोज पे देखा है और हर बार उनको you get this award for 30 years?
40 years.
No, last time it was...
Oh, last time 30 years, yeah.
Last time it was 30 years. Then I met him for 40 years. And God willing, I'll meet you for 50 as well.
Oh, wonderful, yeah.
But सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे ज़रूरी बात मुझे लगता है उनके बारे में यही है कि he is such a mentally fit man. आज के ज़माने में जब हम फिटनेस की बात करते हैं तो I would say that he is one of the most mentally fit people that I've met in my life. And kudos कि he is doing everything that I think we all try to do in our lifetimes. सब कुछ कर लिया आपने और क्या बचा है?
बहुत कुछ बचा है. बहुत कुछ. आपसे तारीफ करवाने के लिए मैं अगले 20 साल तक अच्छे काम करता रहूंगा. But thank you. I just called her up last week and I said, I'm unveiling Tanvi. Will you come? She said yes. There was no discussion. And she's here. Thank you so much for being so wonderful. And I genuinely meant when I said, I learn a lot from you. I mean it. No, these are not. आपने कहा कि सच्ची बात है.
सर एक चीज
तो नहीं महसूस कर रहे.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं I'm loving the conversation. In fact यहाँ जितने भी लोग हैं उनका बस चले वो यही सुनते रहे. एक छोटी सी चीज बताइए सर. इंडस्ट्री में आप बहुत सारे लोगों को जानते हैं. We have a lot of your friends out there. Why Kajol? Like उनको ही क्यों आपने सोचा कि मुझे यहाँ बुलाना चाहिए?
Because I'm the best looking.
She is the best looking. She's the best performer, and she's relevant even today, both as a person and as a performer. And I knew that she will say yes also, because she doesn't take herself so seriously. That's the best part of it.
So मैं वैसे ही कह रहा हूँ.
Also, let me also share it with you. If ever I was to make this film few years back, I would have cast Kajol as Tanvi. I meant, yeah. I was thinking who could have I taken? Yes.
So you said it, and बात तो हो ही गई है. आगे बढ़ाते हैं शाम को इस दोपहर को. And all I want to say is अब जो चीज गुप्त रखी गई है उसको नहीं रखेंगे. We'll unveil the thing.